Dark oxygen, oxygen without sunlight. Imagine diving nearly 4 kilometers beneath the Pacific Ocean. No sunlight reaches these depths. No plants grow here. No photosynthesis takes place. For decades, scientists believed that oxygen could only be produced through photosynthesis, a process powered by sunlight. It seemed like one of biology's most fundamental rules. But recently, researchers discovered something unexpected. While studying the deep ocean floor, scientists recorded oxygen levels that appeared to be increasing in complete darkness. At first, they thought their instruments were malfunctioning. The results seemed impossible. Yet repeated measurements showed the same pattern. Somehow, oxygen was being produced where sunlight could never reach. Scientists call this phenomenon dark oxygen. The discovery was made in a remote region of the Pacific Ocean known as the Clarion-Clipperton Zone. This vast area of the seafloor is covered with strange black rocks called polymetallic nodules. These nodules contain valuable metals such as manganese, nickel, cobalt, and copper, making them attractive targets for deep-sea mining. However, researchers noticed something unusual while studying these environments. Instead of decreasing over time, oxygen levels inside experimental chambers were increasing. The researchers proposed an extraordinary explanation. The nodules themselves might be producing oxygen, but how could rocks create oxygen? Laboratory studies suggest that these nodules may generate small electrical currents. Scientists have compared them to tiny natural batteries. These electrical charges could potentially split seawater molecules into hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. In simple terms, water molecules are broken apart, releasing oxygen even in complete darkness. If this hypothesis is correct, it would reveal an entirely new natural source of oxygen on Earth. The implications are enormous. For over a century, scientists have considered photosynthesis the primary source of oxygen production on our planet. Dark oxygen would not replace photosynthesis, but it could show that oxygen can also be generated through geological processes deep beneath the ocean. This discovery may even affect our understanding of life's origins. Scientists believe that oxygen became abundant after photosynthetic microorganisms evolved billions of years ago. But if oxygen can be produced without sunlight, perhaps small oxygen-rich environments existed before photosynthesis became widespread. These environments may have influenced the evolution of early life. The discovery is also exciting for astrobiology. Several worlds in our solar system contain water but receive little or no sunlight. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, both hide vast oceans beneath thick layers of ice. If oxygen can be produced through geological processes in dark oceans on Earth, similar processes might occur elsewhere in the solar system. This could increase the chances of finding life beyond our planet. However, not everyone is convinced. Some scientists argue that more evidence is needed before dark oxygen can be accepted as a real phenomenon. Others suggest that experimental errors may explain the observations. The debate continues, and new studies are already underway. Whether dark oxygen is ultimately confirmed or disproven, the discovery highlights something important. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Every expedition reveals new mysteries and challenges long-held assumptions about our planet. Dark oxygen reminds us that even today, major scientific discoveries can emerge from places we barely understand. And perhaps the most surprising lesson is this: some of the greatest mysteries of life may not be hidden among distant stars. They may be waiting in the darkness of Earth's own oceans. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of dark oxygen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more journeys into science, nature, and the mysteries of our universe.